Bonjour, I'm very excited today because I'm going to teach you how to do a salade lyonnaise. And Lyon is where I come from in France. It's the best city in the world from my point of view. And Lyon as well, I don't know if you know it, is the capital gastronomic of France. So for people who are new of my channel, I'm Olivier, I'm a professional chef and I work in France and I work as well in England. So to do the salade lyonnaise, what we need? We need some croutons. But please, don't buy the ready meal crouton, it's overpriced. Just toast 2 pieces of bread and we can use that. You need some lardons, same, lardons, about a big pack of bacon. I'm going to chop it properly and we're going to have lardons for half a price or even 3 times half a price. Some salad and some eggs because we're going to put a poached egg on top of the salad. And of course, we need a vinaigrette. To do the vinaigrette, you need mustard, red vinegar, some salt, some pepper, and maybe a little bit of water if you need. But that's it. So to start, we're going to start with the step 1, doing the vinaigrette. So for that, I'm going to use a bowl. So I don't know what that means, French vinaigrette. It means nothing for me. In England, they say French vinaigrette, it means nothing. I'm going to show you how my mother teach me to do a vinaigrette. Very easy. So, a spoon, 1 spoon of mustard, some red vinegar, 1 spoon of red vinegar, like that. I forget, we need some oil as well. And 4 spoons of olive oil. Why olive oil? Because it's better for your health. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to add some salt. Don't worry about the quantity you put, should be okay. Then you can test, you can add some salt if you need it. Some pepper. Voila. And now what you need to do is just to blend everything together. And it's starting to become it should become like that. And you have your vinaigrette. So if you want more running vinaigrette, you need to add hot water because it's a cold sauce. When we're doing cold sauce, we put hot water. When we're doing hot sauce, like sauce hollandaise or something else, you need to put cold water, always the opposite. But I really like that. So you can test it. It's perfect for me. So if it's not, you can add some salt or some hot water in the cold sauce. So the vinaigrette is done now. I'm going to chop my crouton. So 2 pieces of bread in a toaster, not completely cooked because we're going to cook after. And you chop your crouton. Let me know in the comment you want to show me to teach you how to manage with a knife and cut things. Because I don't want you to be hurt or to cut yourself. So we have another bowl. I'm going to put all my crouton. See? It took 1 minute and we have plenty of crouton for the price of 2 pieces of bread. I'm going to put that on side. I'm going to clean my board, always. And the big tip, when you use a board, always put a towel under. Because if you don't have towel, it's going to slip, it's going to move. But with a towel, it's stuck to the surface. Some salad. So it's iceberg salad. If you are in France, you can have nice salad, but in this country it's difficult to find something. So I'm going to do for 2 plates of salad as a main meal, so that should be enough. Voilà. Our same, because we do vegetable, we can't do the meat on the same board, so we need to clean it. So the board is clean, the knife is clean, because we're doing meat now, and that is a cooking bacon, so it's a big chunk of bacon. People, I don't know why people don't like it. It's very cheap, and for doing lardon, it's perfect. So we're going to doing some lardon, like that. I'm going to cut that in 2 to make it smaller. And again, it's a lot cheaper to do like that, do yourself. Stop buying ready meal product, or because first it's not very good and it's not good for your health because you don't know exactly what you put inside. They put a lot of chemical to keep it long time. It's better to cook it fresh. I think people need to go back to the fresh cooking. It's where I am here to teach you how to do it. So we have all this nice bacon. I'm going to put in my recipient there. And when you're cooking, you always need to prepare everything first. All my salad is ready, my bacon is ready, my crouton is ready, and my vinaigrette is ready. So now I'm going to clean that, and we're going to cook the bacon and the crouton together and the plate, and I'm going to poach an egg and put on top, and the recipe will be finished. Okay, so now everything is ready to cook. We're going to cook. So I put my pan on the heat. Just need to add some oil. And we're going to start with bacon or lardon. Put some lardon. Meanwhile, I put some water to do my poached egg. So if you don't know how to do a poached egg, I did a video for that. So click on this card, just this way, and you should have the whole lessons about poached egg. So the lardons are cooking. I'm going to use this time to prepare my plate with the salad. So we're going to have 2 nice salade lyonnaise for our lunch outside. It's very healthy, very quick to do. So I'm going to use my mother vinaigrette. Like that. This is enough. I'm going to do the other plate. Voilà. So when the lardon starting to be cooked, you can add the crouton, because like that your croutons are going to take the flavor of the lardon in the same time. So I'm going to cook it for 3 minutes roughly, and after I'm going to put it on the plate and the poached egg on top of that. So lardon and crouton are almost cooked, as you can see, they look lovely, and I'm going to leave it in the pan to keep it hot Meanwhile, I'm going to do the œuf poché. So the œuf poché, as I said, there is another video, and it's 3 minutes. And you can cook both in the same time. If you respect the technique, you should learn now. Voilà, œuf poché is here. We're going to leave them for another 2.5 minutes, 3 minutes. 2.5 minutes pass, and I'm going to start in, so all that is still hot. I'm going to present that on my plate. Oh, it looks lovely. Nice chunk lardon, not the small one as you bought in supermarket, as you buy in supermarket. Voilà, this is second plate. We don't need this one. And I'm going to add a poached egg. On top. One. And 2. You can clean it if you want. You can clean it a bit, but I'm going to eat. So now, you have your salade lyonnaise with your poached egg. Very nice. As you can see, it's very easy to cook like a professional. So if you want to follow me in my adventure to teach you how to cook it, don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell to know when I'm going to post a video, and if you have any comment, put below as well. I will be reply to you. If you struggle with the recipe, let me know. I'm going to do a video for you to explain to you. So bon appétit and au revoir.